Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful today. Today is Saturday, March 24th. I'm here in Brooklyn today at a beautiful brownstone. I'm going to be shooting with Freed magazine on a project that we're working on, and I'm so excited to be able to share it with you when it finally comes out. But in the meantime, I'm going to take you along the experience of today's photo shoot. So this is our set for today. It's this really cute Airbnb. This is the crew. Say hey, crew. I love these guys. They're awesome. Or these ladies. Look, they're making an awesome bouquet here. And you guys got all these flowers from Trader Joe's, right?
Yes. Shout out to Trader Joe's.
Shout out to Trader Joe's. Got some snacks over here. I've got some outfits. I'm gonna be ironing a bit. This is the second room. All right, we're starting.
The wave. Watching. Like acting it. That's a good one. Kind of want to get this flowers. This is fun. Super easy. Alright, put your head in the leg.
Oh, that's nice.
Beautiful. Take one without. Like that other way. Like I want them kind of like all in your face.
Okay.
Yes.
Looking towards you?
Yeah. That thing is probably like $150 or something they would charge for that. Or more.
For sure, easily.
I'm sure you know this, but the most often repeated command in scriptures, do not fear.
Beautiful.
Yes, you will be far from oppression. Why? Because you won't fear.
Really, if we go to the other side of the street, it would be a lot better.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna switch lenses because I'm feeling this.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You got the brightness you wanted?
Yes. So now I want the lens that I want, which is gonna be closer.
So yeah, it's a couple days later. It's actually Thursday from this same weekend that I just got out from the photo shoot. So it's Thursday, March 29th, and I just wanted to like wrap up the vlog just talking about how awesome the team was over at Freed magazine. They were just so amazing. They treated me with so much love and paid attention to so much detail. So I cannot wait for you guys to read the magazine. It's gonna be a virtual magazine, and it's also gonna be like a physical magazine. and I just can't believe that it's just so weird to even imagine that I'm gonna be like on the cover of it. Like, they're highlighting my stuff. It's just, y'all, this is just too much. But it's so cool. It's so cool. It's a faith-based centered organization, brand, who's really just trying to bring awareness to being freed in the Lord, the freedom that it brings being a child of God. And so follow them on Instagram, Freed Magazine. I'll put their Instagram in the description box so you guys can follow them if you're interested. But it was just such an amazing weekend. But this vlog skipped a couple days because I literally had like all of the birthdays in the past couple of days. My father, my sister, my brother-in-law, 2 of my friends, like so many birthdays are in March. I'm like, why did everyone decide to be birthed in March? Anywho, I wanted to finish this vlog first off by wrapping that all up and the experience and talking about it just fairly quickly, and just showing you guys also this PR package that I received from my friends at CoverGirl. Like, wait till I show you this package. Just wait. So this is the huge PR package, literally broken down in each category, and then I took out these little like these little papers that they put inside to describe what each product is. But one of the things that I loved was this letter, and they just, you know, basically described what inspired this whole new campaign. You open it up, you know, Mamu had a fit of this.
What does my face tell you?
Mamu was like, oh my God.
Does it say that I'm vain? Or does it tell you that I'm strong?
I love it.
It can be
This
subtle.
is so cool. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna wait till that finishes and I'll keep talking. So this is a liquid lipstick. So you guys know liquid lipsticks, or it's actually called, let's see if it focuses, a melting pout matte, and it has the consistency of a liquid lipstick. These colors are beautiful. My mom actually really loved this color, but I'm gonna try to get her into a liquid matte because I think that for her, she's just not used to the formula, but I really want to kind of get her into it. Excuse my nails, y'all. Like, seriously, this is horrible. I need to do better. I know I need to do better. Okay, so then the lips here, we have like 2 collaborations here. So this is the CoverGirl Queen collection. Are these lip glosses, or let's see, let's actually look at the thingy here. Pretty much go through like the top tray, and then obviously the Queen collection, these are liquid mattes as well, and the Kitty Cat lip gloss, so those are lip glosses. So that's pretty cool. That is actually Katy Perry's collaboration with them. Of course, you could tell Katy Perry is super colorful, super like pop of color, so you can tell. I love these shades in the Queen collection though. I really do. And y'all know I love a good red, so I'm going to be trying that out. Then we have the eyes, which I already did a collaboration with them. If you guys have not seen it yet on Instagram, I used this palette to create a really bold look, and it was a really fun experience to do that with them. And then, of course, I love mascara. So these are brow pencils. These are the Katy Cat palette, and then we have skin. So we have the powder here, we got some concealer, just like some stuff to really add a glow to your skin. So I am super thankful for this. I was not expecting this huge package. Like, literally, it's so big. It's so big. So I got to figure out what to do with this huge box, but I'm so appreciative of that. So CoverGirl, for watching, thank you so much. This, by the way, this is not sponsored. And then I got like this can you tell I'm so excited? So I've been really talking about blooming lately, and just like the blooming season, and I received this really cute tote from my friends over at The Letter Well, and look at this, guys. It says bloom, flourish, thrive, and it's this like really cute tote. I'm going to be using this like every single day. And so they sent it to me. and they're so sweet. This is their information. So they're at the leather well on Instagram. Their feed is so pretty, by the way. Tell them I sent you. And then the last brand I want to just shout out, just because I love people who incorporate their faith into what they do. Keep the Faith, and this is by Elevated Faith. They're at Elevated Faith on like Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, and I just love their messaging. And like this 3-strand like bracelet, so you basically wrap it around your wrist like 3 times, and I love the meaning behind it. I'm gonna try to see if I can find a link and put it down in the description box so you guys see what it's about. And then this is a bracelet that they sent as well. So I am so thankful. Once again, not sponsored at all. Like, I just like to support those who really are about just making Jesus famous. Like, hello, I love it. So that's pretty much it for today. I'm actually gonna go ahead and finish working today. It's been like such a hectic season when it comes to like behind the scenes, because I'm really trying to create and produce so many things for you guys. And honestly, like, legacy is so important, guys. Like, even if you just have different ideas in your mind, in your heart, like, think about the legacy of your life. Like, what is the legacy that God is trying to produce in you and through you that will outlast the time that you are in this earth? And so that's what I'm really working on right now. And it's a lot of work, but I am really wholeheartedly just following the voice of God and really just trying to make sure that I do it unto his glory, because honestly, that's, at the end of the day, that's the most important thing, guys. So I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, and make sure you give this video a like. I just want to know that you guys are liking the vlogs and that you guys are enjoying just like my random little experiences here and there, aside from like the curated videos that I make as well. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.